super easy drawings. Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a sailboat. I draw a wavy line for the sea, then I draw the boat. I start from the bottom. Then the rest. Now I draw the sun on this side. And some clouds as well. Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to make our drawings more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the boat. I use dark brown for this part. I use the colors of the rainbow. Red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, pink, and fuchsia, light blue, color the water with this marker. A bit of dark blue as well. I add a little light blue for the clouds. Then I color the sun yellow. Then I use orange. And add a little light blue to the background. If you liked this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!